Shenzhen Etindge Electronic Company Limited specialized in providing affordable video brochures, video boxes, and related marketing products without sacrificing quality. As the leading video brochure manufacturer in Shenzhen, China, we focuses on the production of video cards for over 4 years. We are BV, TUV, SGS, Audit Certification Supplier, and all our products got CE, ROHS, MSDS certificates. Higher quality products and more professional service are always our unremitting pursuit. Thanks to the experience of cooperating with large companies and famous brands, such as YouTube, Patek Philippe, Mercedes-Benz, Brochure, BMW, Volvo, and Audi, we grow faster and stronger than yesterday. It's always the trust and support from clients that give us the power to keep on going step by step, firmly and steadily. Now traditional marketing tool will soon be replaced by a brand new mode, which is exactly the video type promotional methods. Any company can become to our clients if you need advertising or introduce for your company one new product, one item, one conference, exhibition, wedding invitations. You can think about using our video brochure. We are a small company, small enough to listen to your heart with enough patience. We are a big company, big enough to take on the responsibility of building a better world.